Few tales are told of Hades, whose very name inspires fear and penitence, reminding us of the inevitable fate which we all share. I, however, mean to tell you such a tale. Listen carefully.
Goodbye, Father. To hell with this place. Get out of here. I'm leaving. Try and stop me. Up. There she is. It's got to be her. Then here goes nothing. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Hail, noble cousin. Now, let's get you from that miserable place. I'll see that all of us upon Olympus do our part, beginning here with me.
I know you can't hear me all the way where you are, Goddess, but thank you. Come on, let's fight. Set. I'm hurt. Can't heal myself, but I can fight. Louds. Key. was revelry? People having a good time? Well, sure then.
Hey there, Zagman. How's it going? Look, you have got to get here with the rest.
Leave it to the god of wine to liven things up around here. Uh-oh. They're armored. Damn it. I'm home.
Whoa. Welcome to the House of Hades, where... Wait, I know you. Guess that means you died out there, huh? Well, don't be sad, though. Pretty much everybody dies sometime.
Some of us more than others.
Back already.
You've returned.
Good to see you, lad. Despite the circumstances. Remember.
And fear is for the... How goes it, Shades?
The House of Hades. That infernal.
You watch over things. There's a good boy.
I'm sorry he disturbed you, Cerberus. Stupid boy. I told you nobody gets up.
Greetings, Father. My ransack.
Be on your way indeed. You are irritating me, boy. A vast and intricately crafted.
He's not really that great.
Keep it down.
You have come home. Do not despair, child. Such setbacks are inevitable.
I believe it, Nix.
The risk is not to me. I expected the Olympians would involve themselves in this.
Yes, we are.
Then go.
Hey, room. I'm back.
The bedchambers of...
Night and darkness guide me. Looking good. Okay. There we go. Coronacht, the Heart Seeker. Let's deal some death.
Psst, over here.
What the?
Nice place you got here, boyo. Name's Skip.
I don't remember having you on.
Oh, I'm not about...
If you insist.
Nah, that was nothing.
Nothing here yet. One more time. Thunder. Is that... Is this really him?
Greetings there, young man. Look, your father's always been rather
Lord Uncle Zeus lending his support. Never thought I'd see the day. Or night. Whatever.
Composed of such
Good thing I'm not dead. Louds. This can unlock something back home. Dust. centaur heart. This can unlock a weapon back at home. Each exit has its own reward. You're nothing. A palm of power. They must have lots of these upon Olympus. Power. Hey lads. Bloodless bastards got me.
Whoa, you just...
Okay. Happen to know whom I should thank for the...
I'm sure I wouldn't, lad. Though if I happen...
How you holding up, boy?
Each terror.
Who's that sniveling?
That shade, boy, is mine.
You're trying to guilt me into funding the...
Perhaps once we are...
Nice. Here, boy. Just as long as one of your three heads enjoys these pets. Some sort of special offer for me, my good shade. Work authorized. A fountain chamber in the depths of Tartarus sounds like an excellent idea.
What once was...
Cerberus
A
destroyed the
setback,
lounge
then.
again.
Darkness guide you, child.
I won't forget you. What's new? See you, Mira. How's it going?
Boy, let me give you a piece.
I'll keep that in mind, mate. Time to go. That looks like a Daedalus hammer. Enchantments for my weapon. Daedalus, wherever you may be right now, thank you. Whoops.